I want me some more oatmeal cookies, the ones with the icing. I also want me some hamburger meat. It is $10.49. And I also want me one of these boxes. Yep. I think I already got some, so I'm buying an extra. Crushed tomatoes, this kind at Aldi. It has very much low sodium, as you can see, and the potassium very low as well. I love that for us. So I'm gonna get that one. And I'm also gonna grab one of these. No, not that one. That's not the right one. I don't want that one. I think it's gonna be this one. Yep, it's gonna be that one. Let me see. Not this one, the sodium too high. I'm gonna find